Okay. What are we doing today?
We're making gingerbread.
Camera captures how small the kitchen is with like 4 people in it at once.
I'm having like a seizure. That's okay. There we go. Casey, here you go. This is the photo of
I
your
think I ate too
expanded
many
with
gummy bears.
4 teaspoons.
Wait, we were supposed to double it, huh? Just put 2 more cinnamon.
Yeah. What about nutmeg?
Again, if it tastes good, then who cares?
Back wherever
We're not eating it.
Yeah, this is a lot of.
We barely nibbled on it last year.
It.
If we're not eating it, I'm just gonna wing it with the cinnamon.
Yeah, the cup that we used.
You know I had to double it.
So.
You don't have to double it.
How did? Oh, you know what? We could grate it.
You could grate it if you want to.
Fingers as well.
Yummy.
Good luck with that, Casey.
I feel like a caveman in this kitchen. Why don't they have an electric mixer? This is awful.
What's happening? I heard the word caveman. Is a caveman like a kitchen or?
It's just like I have to mix it up with a fork.
Has it even like warmed up at all?
Yeah, we don't have the thing to cut in dough.
No.
We have a whisk though.
Oh, thanks for telling me that.
Yeah,
No.
I know you want to use a whisk on that dough.
Yeah. Preferably before I started this. But you know, what's she gonna do? I'm getting somewhere.
That's good, that's
How's it
good.
going? How's it going?
I'm getting somewhere.
Nice. Is it a certain jail, prison?
No.
Can you tell me at least where that county is?
Alameda?
Yes. Have you ever seen the Alameda County Jail? $13 Fortnite pants.
Just the pants?
Pants.
Do you know how much it's gonna get stuck in the measuring cup and wasted?
Then you wipe it out with a spatula.
What was that?
Or you just
Oil.
use a spatula.
Oil?
You're oiling it?
Or we just dump the whole thing
And
in
then
and
the
wing it.
honey gets out easy. This is life hack.
Or just a spatula.
Well, let's see it work. Let's see it work.
Crazy Russian Casey.
I told you could just put the whole thing in. Because I don't even think that's going to be 1
It
cup.
actually might be 1 cup. Exactly.
Well, then we have half as much as we need. Wonderful.
Oh, Elliot did not listen. It's one, dude. It's half a cup
I already
doubled.
asked if it was doubled. Yeah.
You know what? It's a confusing environment in here.
That's true. Okay, ready?
So I'm gonna ask this for again.
Look,
wow,
not
that didn't work.
sticking, not sticking.
Oh, what kind of
There's
work?
still a lot in there, but I think
No,
it's
no,
better.
it's coming out, it's coming out.
It's better having had the oil
It's
on
literally coming out clean. How hot should we preheat the oven?
Probably 350, but I didn't look.
it. Well, I would check.
No, just preheat it for 400.
400? All right.
Please
I
don't.
find your lack of force disturbing.
Okay.
This is a fair deal. Hope I don't change it again.
Pray I do not alter the terms of our agreement further than I already have.
Yeah, that's the
I
one.
wanted to do that, Casey.
Yeah, well, you weren't listening.
I was doing a bad Darth Vader
Casey
impression.
makes
To no one.
cookies.
We commentate. We're like Statler and Waldorf or whatever those guys are. The peanut gallery. You
Yeah,
know, the guy-
Statler and Waldorf. Yeah, the guys on the balcony.
They're always like, oh, Casey's making cookies. Oh, she sucks. You know the guys
And then I
I'm talking about?
cried.
Yeah, it's
Why is there so much flour?
Because we doubled the recipe, but we didn't double the size of the bowl.
You know we had to double it.
Yeah,
Oh my
we
God.
put the dry ingredients in the
Yeah.
bowl. Oh no, wait, they did do this. In this one.
Okay, what's the next step? Because this feels pretty mixed.
Pressing out, shaping, cooking. We can let it rest in the fridge.
Roll it out.
Is that an essential step or?
It's a thing you do.
Well, then let's.
Okay, we're back. We're back. We got Casey rolling everything. Kind of uneven.
Oh my god, do you want to do it then?
I'm the cameraman.
Okay, what shapes do we need to cut this in?
We need the base, and then we need siding at the very least. I mean, I don't know what structure.
So should we get like 2 longer planks to make the
It should
hole?
be like, it should be like this, and then like, you know.
We have no clue what's going on here. Honestly, what we could do is just cut it into normal boxes, because we're making it into a broken in half ship. We could honestly just build like 2 houses and give one a pointed roof and orient them as ships,
So like
ship
just do
pieces.
some rectangles. Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure if we had enough
Rectangles and squares. Just
rectangles
get like
and
a
squares,
collection of
and maybe
shapes.
like some triangles for the bow. If we can, we don't have to
But,
think
yeah.
about this like a ship. That's gonna make too much.
I mean, not half. I would do like the
Cut your
main rectangles long, if
Okay.
possible.
I
Do with the
yeah, I
other
like
part,
Josh's
yes.
idea.
Okay, so, well then Josh cut it if it's his idea.
Hold
Here, I
it.
got you. I got you.
Cameraman.
They do?
Any up nose shots yet? There we go.
There we go.
Thank
Here,
you.
I want to get a patented down the back shot. Oh yeah, let's peek at the oven.
Speedy. Bake. Start. Go.
I would think of this maybe on either side, like this amount.
Okay.
Wade,
Maybe
Yeah.
a little less.
you can put this in the recycle.
Sounds good. Here, ready? Catch.
Oh, it opened the trash!
But this is recycling.
It opened the trash.
We're playing Baku ball. Oh fuck, not under the fridge.
World Cup.
He's gone.
What?
Is he under there? Oh, you got him. His ass is extended. My man's got inches. No need to cast a spell.
What other
It'll
shapes to
take me
make?
all day.
Here, you
You're
hold the
doing like
camera
a
now.
Dwayne the Rock Johnson
Hey.
like eyebrow raise. What's going on?
Do we need this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Do we want this?
It's so warm.
Casey, you're holding it wrong.
Man.
Alright.
Casey, you're holding it upside down.
Is that true?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
I don't have a place to put this.
No, it's not!
It's heated.
Okay. Well, should I do a bigger size because we have that dough?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, you said yeah. Okay, I guess we're doing it then. Everyone blame Casey if it goes wrong. Dude, I'm like James Cameron.
You're like James Corden.
Just like I know what I'm doing. I don't know what anyone else is
avatar.
doing. No, because let me tell you, because this is going
Let me
like
tell you
this.
something.
You're re-rolling it
Let me tell
again?
you something. Let me tell you something.
It was you hadn't even done anything to it, and you're re-rolling it.
How long did these cook for?
Hour and a half.
I don't know.
3
Sammy,
hours?
you want to look it up?
Do
Yeah,
not
look
cook
it
for
up.
3 hours.
Yeah. Put it
It
on.
looks like you didn't start.
Sammy, how long do these cook for?
What is that?
Fuck.
That is hot.
Gingerbread has quite the smell. It smells like something.
Not watching. His ass is tuned out of what we were doing.
If this doesn't look like Titanic at the end of it, it's not any of our fault, okay? It's on
we
them.
were not given
It's
No, yeah, adding more isn't gonna help.
It's not gonna hurt.
It's not us.
Yes, it will. It's gonna make it wetter.
The height lines up.
The height, yeah.
Yeah, I'm talking about the height. Only the height.
Okay, well.
I'm going to fly for you.
Height-wise.
Height-wise, I see what you're saying. That's a good. This is getting
Yeah,
footage.
that's it. That's the kind of stuff we want.
Alright.
Okay, I'm dipping it in.
It's gonna be a really
The gummy bear angle.
Look for the Gummy Bear album in stores on November 13th.
The dip tech is what's going to revolutionize the industry.
What is happening with this?
God was not present for the Titanic, and he will not be present for the building of the replica.
Y'all doubted me, and I can see why.
The haters were right, and yet I still live. I'm telling you, the dip tech. The dip tech, you dip it in.
The dip tech. Just.
Dip tech revolutionizes the industry, I'm telling you. We just gotta give up on the table at this point. The table's fucked.
Yeah, but we're gonna create a monstrosity.
We're gonna create art. What the fuck are they watching over there, man? I'm
Probably
hearing like
Pokemon
anime moaning
shit.
noises.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
That's just straight up porn. They're just straight up watching porn. Fuck, man. We live in a society. I'm gonna become the gingerbread Joker.
Oh boy.
This is good. This is good. We let it sit. We let it sit. We let it sit.